This amazing lodge-style mansion in Telluride, Colorado, which has been featured in the Wall Street Journal and on Hgtv's $1 Million Rooms, is one of the most extraordinary residences in the Telluride region. The Stone and Log Chalet has 23,000 square feet of living space with 7 bedrooms and 8 full bathrooms. The Mountain Estate offers an exceptional combination of privacy and proximity with breathtaking views and unparalleled amenities. Located on more than 3 secluded acres at the end of one of the most desirable streets in Mountain Village, this residence offers panoramic views of the St. Sophia mountain range and is surrounded by massive aspen and spruce trees. Yet, it is just a short walk to Telluride's world-class skiing and a quick drive to the Mountain Village core, the Telluride Golf Course, and the gondola to downtown Telluride. Featuring the finest amenities, including a 75-foot indoor pool, AMF bowling alley, 2-lane 100-foot indoor commercial shooting range, golf fairway, and putting green with bunker, extensive landscaping, magnificent water feature, gazebo with wet bar, and a 7-person hot tub, as well as a full-scale replica of the Labyrinth at Chartres, France. The home is owned by Roxanne Pulitzer and her husband Tim Bobergs. It was most recently listed for $18.5 million.